Hi, Get the Gloss. Thank you so much for allowing me to come back for the second time to try and attempt to do my Get the Gloss in 7 again. The first time I did it, I was like, yeah, sure, 7 minutes, that's loads of time. In fact, loads of time I can just have a chat as well. And that clock went round really fast and I didn't complete it. So I'm determined today. I've got some really nice Speedy products that are going to be quite efficient, I'm hoping. And I'm going to include some of the products from my brand new and very first beauty box. This is the Beauty Experts edition and it includes products that I've used both professionally and personally across my channels as well. So you'll be familiar with them. The skincare really hydrates and encourages a glow to your skin, and the makeup allows you to have really core basics and just, a little bit of creativity too. So without further ado, let's get serious. Let's push the hair back. I've already prepped my skin, which is good. And I'll get the stopwatch on. I don't want to lose a second. So here we go. Ready, steady, go. Like I said, I've already prepped my skin. These are the two amazing skincare products that I do have in my box. This is the Intense Recovery Cream by MUA, which is an absolute godsend for dry skin, and Exfoliate by Kate Somerville. Now, you have to have exfoliation and hydration together if you want that smooth surface to your skin. The exfoliation, and this is amazing, you will never use anything else if you've never tried this before, because it really completely changes the texture of your skin after one application. Murad is amazing, as you all know, but the hydration levels on this is super high, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling really heavy. Next up, you might have noticed I've got a little bit of warmth on my skin, and this is due to the wonderful James Reed and his Gradual Tan Drops, which I use every day after I've moisturized. Right, straight on with the makeup. Here we go. Max Factor's new Miracle Pure Foundation. It's kind of like a hybrid skincare and foundation tint. I'm going to use this just across my face in this lovely warm colour to complement my skin. And I wanted to use my hands because I wanted to get it on really, really quickly and to blend down into my neck. Hands are such a great tool in order to get such a lot of product on with ease. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. This is such a lovely product which contains vitamin C and hyaluronic. As you can see, it really perfects the skin and evens the tone out without looking heavy. Right, Monica Blunder cover, absolutely fantastic. I'm going to use this with one of my special brushes. In fact, I have two special brushes in my kit. Thank you so much, Katie Jane Hughes. I'm going to use the flat foundation brush just to get into the corner of my eyes, but I'm not taking it all the way across my lid for this particular makeup look. You'll see why in a second. So really pushing that in to the corners of my eyes. This is a wonderful product because it's so versatile. You can either create a really heavy perfected look, or you can apply the colour and then buff it really well into the skin. As you can see, it blends seamlessly with the Max Factor, and that lovely light colour. I do love to use a real difference in tone around the eyes compared to my base, because that really encourages just a little bit of face shaping just with those two shades on my complexion. Right, I'm happy with that. Okay, so let's go with a little bit of colour on the cheeks, and thank you, Daniel Sandler. Daniel Sandler has allowed me to have his award-winning Cult watercolour in my box. And this is the shade I'm using, and I'm going to be applying it with the Duo Fibre brush from Katie Jane Hughes and Spectrum. Now I'm going to apply this colour just on the apples of my cheeks to kind of give me like a healthy glow, but also just to kind of add a little bit of volume to my lips, so it kind of adds a little bit of softness to the makeup. This is water resistant and lasts really well on the skin. I'm going to add a little bit more sheen with my Sculpted by Amy Gilded Glow. This is a beautiful highlighter. The reason I chose this highlighter for my box is because it is one of those highlighters that doesn't fade. So many highlighters that you put on the back of your hand, maybe you're testing it, or on your skin, you put it on, you come to look at it later and it's disappeared. This one doesn't disappear. It's really beautiful and it suits all skin tones. How are we doing? Chucking on a Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift. This is a really great shape, as you can see. So again, it's quick for me to shape my brows, which do need a little bit of help. So just flatten that edge out down there and pull the brow out. Then I'm going to feather through, change the shape of the brow product, and then extend it down very lightly, and then stretch out with my finger. Bring the brow in. It's really important to extend your brow in to make sure it's nice and wide. Oh my God, it's 5:23. Oh no, hold on. How much time have we got left? Oh no, 4. I was looking at the wrong clock. I was looking at the clock on my phone thinking this is a joke. I need to move that so I can see that a little bit closer. Brows on point, perfect. Okay, so Purple Rain by e.l.f. I absolutely love these e.l.f. glitters. They are an absolute joy to use. They are gel based, and I place it across my lid. This is why I didn't use any foundation on my lids, because I didn't want the foundation to, oh, the sun's coming out to celebrate. That's perfect. You can see a really lovely glow on this now. Look at that. Thank you so much. Put the colour right across your lid and then blend out. Oh, look at that, just perfect. I'm really getting the glow, getting the gloss now. Perfect. Next, I'm going to use my Trish McAvoy. Oh no, it's really strong now. What am I going to do? I can't move. This is the Trish McAvoy Aubergine Liner. I'm going to place it right in my waterline. These pencils are the softest that you'll ever find in any makeup store. They are absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Trish McAvoy, for agreeing to be a part of my box. Now I've got so much sunlight. Oh, please go away. Let me see what I can do. Yes, it's going, it's going. Gosh, I'm really up against it. Charlotte Tilbury Push-Up Lashes. Really great mascara if you want to get your lashes on really quickly. Okay, 5. Now, this part of the wand doesn't have any bristles on, so you get to put lots of the mascara on, and then you can bring it through the lashes with the bristles. But because it hasn't got bristles, oh no, I'm making a right old pig's ear of this. Sorry, I'm not making any sense. The bristles help to pull the mascara through the lashes, but where the wand doesn't have any bristles, you can get lots and lots of mascara on, so it gives you a nice lift. And when you're doing a kind of soft, sparkly look like this, you need to have that kind of structure just there. Okay, and where are we going? 6:13, perfect. Last up is my favourite lipstick from Max Factor, Colour Elixir in Pink Brandy. This is a colour, it's like a perfect spring summer colour. It's like a beautiful watermelon shade, sort of like a nice corally pink, and it is so pretty, and I absolutely love it. Rub it together, soften and push with my finger so it gets a little bit of, I made a right old pickle here with the glitter, haven't I? I need one of my tools, which I don't have. But anyway, I finished on time, woohoo! Now I am going to nominate somebody else to try this challenge. Daniel Sandler, you very kindly donated your product to my box. Please will you try the Get the Gloss in 7 challenge. Bye for now, and I really hope you like the products and of course the look.